In this problem, we're given that we have a perovskite structure, and the diagram is shown, and it contains calcium, titanium, and oxygen atoms. And what we want to know are the values X, Y, and Z in the chemical formula for this perovskite. Notice that there's one titanium atom in the structure, so if we look at this unit cube, this atom here in the center, that's titanium. And so the number of titanium atoms then in unit cube, one atom. Calcium is located only at the corners. Well, so calcium, we have 8 corners. Each calcium atom, however, is not completely within the unit cell. Only 1/8 of the calcium atoms, because it's shared with 7 other unit cells next to it at the corner. So it's 8 multiplied by 1/8, which is also one atom of calcium. And then finally, oxygen. Well, the red atoms are on the sides of this face-centered cubic type structure. So the red atoms, there's 6 sides. Each red atom of oxygen is shared with the face next to it, so it's only 1/2 within the unit cell. So that says there are 3 atoms, which means then our structure, calcium is 1, titanium is 1, and oxygen is 3. And so this is the chemical formula then for this perovskite containing calcium, titanium, and oxygen.